I haven't seen you since last year. I haven't seen you for ages. Both sentences connect the past to the present. Both sentences are in the present perfect tense, but one uses since and the other uses for. Why? Hi, I'm Luke. I'm an ESL professional and I'm here to help. Let's look at some examples using since. I have been a teacher since 2014. I have had my new laptop since January. I have played guitar since I was a child. Here, since refers to a specific time. 2014, January, since I was a child. Now, let's look at for. I have been a teacher for many years. I have had my new laptop for a few months. I have been playing guitar for more than 20 years. Here, for refers to a period of time. For many years. For a few months. For more than 20 years. Okay, let's practice. Complete these examples with for or since. Pause and complete. Ready? Okay, let's check. 1. I have been a student for 2 years. 2 years is a period of time. I have been a student since 2021. 2021 is a specific time. I have lived in my apartment since March. March is a specific time. I have lived in my apartment for 5 months. 5 months is a period of time. I've been working on it since this morning. This morning is a specific time. In this example, all of this morning is finished. It's in the past. It's now the afternoon. I've been working on it for a while. A while is a period of time. So, how about you? Let's practice. How long have you been an English student? Think about where you live. How long have you lived there? Think about a hobby you have. How long have you been doing it? Think about your mobile or laptop. How long have you had them? Answer below in the comments.